This is a dog video starring the creepy mannequin and Ayla Smith. And definitely my dad's back. And the iPad and a mom's red hair. We will be talking more about this once we see all the dogs. The dogs' names are Daisy, which is right over there. Daisy, which is right over here. Okay, ow, that hurt. Daisy, which is right over here. And then there is also Tova, which is this one right here. And this is Max, right here. He's shy.
Dog. No, a little too shy.
Okay,
no,
so
seriously. So I'm going on this.
So we're gonna just make a dog video about the life of dogs and stuff. So
Okay, no. Okay, let me give Daisy an interview.
okay, wait, no.
What? Daisy.
That was the interview with Daisy, with her butt. We're spying on the dog.
No, it's a good size.
I hope they didn't see me.
Oh, okay. Well,
This is where the live action begins.
I'll see what happens.
You're here at the Wildlife Channel with an explorer trying to tamper with two very odd species. Dog!
Okay.
And Tova and Max. They are the wildlife species for today. Now introducing a weird dog commercial. Does your dog eat everything in the house?
Oh my God.
Yes. Do your parents go crazy while your dog eats stuff? Yeah! So now introducing the new and improved parents. They boss around the parents to parent the dog to stop doing it, which just happened magically. Woo! Science effects.
That's what I meant.
So we'll be here in the next commercial with this crazy mannequin
And then adjust
trying to
thumbnail.
spy on.
Charlie, shut that off, please.
Why? I'm making a video. I'm making a video, Dad's back.
Hey, you guys, calm down, guys. Like one picture of the
Yes.
whole necklace, one picture of the focal bead,
Dun dun dun.
so they know the toggle.
I like the back.
W. Wait.
Oh, no, okay.
WWE dog battles. Da 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 da.
On Etsy, I get favorited
Okay.
and stuff, but on eBay, I'm getting nothing. Oh, wait a second.
So,
maybe a couple views, but no bids.
Yeah, so this is I'm actually gonna be leaving, and this is our last video together
No
for
auction.
No option.
And
Just
I'll be
buy it
using
now.
Zoom Bros, and so we'll see you in the next video, which is gonna be in about 2 weeks, I think.
But
Bye.
only 1 week auctions.